Bless you, Laverne. Are you all right?
Yeah, I'm fine. It's just a little chilly in here.
Chilly in here. It's 1,000 degrees in here. Let me feel your forehead. Oh, you're burning up.
Cheryl, they're looking at us here. I gotta get going.
Your money or your life.
What are you doing?
I thought you had this trick down.
I do now. Would you get off
No,
me?
look, grab my arm like Carmine Street.
Hey, chicken fight!
What are you quitting for?
Oh, no, you don't have to do that.
Hey, come on, Squiggy, help me get out of these sissy pants.
I ain't helping you take off your pants.
Saturday night movies for lovers. Now, Lucky Ray's.
Get him out of our house. Cheryl, unzip me this minute.
All right. Don't you rip out my base, you hear me?
Well, Lenny, don't you have something to say to Squiggy?
Yeah, will you marry me?
What am I laughing at?
all right.
Come on.
Okay. Hey, look. If you want to come upstairs, I'll help you paste your morts back together.
Well, in that case, I'll go up there and get a plunger. Maybe I can still save your shirt. Okay.
No, come on, shake. No.
Stupid!
Well, I think that this calls for a celebration.
Yeah!
Just the two of you upstairs.
Oh, okay, all right. I'll take them pillows.
But how am I supposed to change? I mean, what do you want me to do with Lenny? Tuck him into bed and kiss him goodnight?
Hey, guys, you getting ready?
Yeah. Boy, are you lucky we owe you a favor, Laverne.
Oh, well, come on.
Don't be!
Sounds free. You won.
Go ahead, it's empty.
No, we just came to wash up.
Did you guys check out the blonde at the candy machine?
No, hot number.
I took her out last night.
We got you. Say no more.
I took her out by the viaduct.
Way to go. Say no more. Say no more.
You know what she did?
Oh, say no more. You better go out there. I saw her talking to a sailor there.
Yeah?
A swabby.
Thanks, you're right.
Let's just find our names and get out of here.
If you got boots, you got Bessie.
There was a young hermit named Dave who... Oh, look, they smeared the rest of that.
Here we are, in big bold letters right here.
Okay, here's the soap and the rag. Now get it off, I'll watch.
Look at this. Will you? They spell Shirley with a U.
Who cares? Just wipe it off. Look at Laverne.
It's a good thing for you I'm wearing my dress-up jacket.
Am I tired of getting pushed around in this place?
You too,
Especially
huh?
in front of our dates?
Yeah, that's ridiculous. Me too. Well, I'll tell you something. That's the last time. Starting now, I'm throwing my weight around. Out of my way. Move over, Bob. I want to comb my hair.
Get lost.
It's a lucky thing for you I'm wearing my dress-up jacket.
Hey, don't we know you two guys from someplace?
I don't think so. Now,
Oh,
Peter.
yeah, I seen your face on somebody else's body. I know who it is. Hey, it's Nick and Phil from the bowling alley. Hey.
What are you talking about? That's Barney and Jack from the brewery.
Barney's got no teeth and Jack is a Negro.
I'm not talking about black Jack. I mean white Jack.
White Jack don't work at the brewery.
I
He
did
got
work
fired
at
from
the
the brewery.
It's us.
I told you it was Nick and Phil.
Fellas.
It's Nick and Laverne.
Fellas, it's me. It's Shirley.
Shirley and Laverne. Sure.
Ooh, wow. Oh, gee, what are you doing here? You crazy?
off the wall, that's all.
Yeah, don't you tell anybody that you saw us in here.
Right.
I guess Hector really fixed your wagon, huh?
Hector did this?
Yeah, I can tell that pinhead squirrel a mile away.
Hickey Hector Kestenbaum?
No, General Hector Kestenbaum. Yeah,
Look, will you two stand guard outside while we wipe the rest of this off the wall?
what? No.
Get out of the house!
All right.
Where'd you get those stupid-looking clothes?
From the bottom of your closet. Lenore and Squendolin. Say hello, girls. Hello.
All right, now before the rough stuff starts, any of you gals want to swap blouses?
Lenore.
We'll momentarily rumble. But first I have one question. Which one of us do you think is prettier?
Please, just go over there and stand with the rest of the girls, all right?
Catty.
Ding dong, ding dong, ding dong, dell, ding dong, ding dong, ding dong, dell, ding dong, ding dong.
And then, okay, I'll get the ding-dong bell right, and then there's applause, and then we bow. And then there's applause, and then we bow. Encore. What do you think? Should we cut the kiss?
Ah, they'll love it.
Hello there, Len. I just wanted to tell you that, well, I'm awful sorry for some of the terrible things I did and said to you, and, well, you'll always be my best friend. Boy, I can talk big to a capitated dummy. Could never apologize to Lenny.
Hey, Squidman,
Yes, Len?
over here.
Have you been spying on me?
No, I've been avoiding you.
What's with these suitcases?
Your clothes are here because I want them here.
Hey, don't get bossy, all right? It's unattractive.
Who ought to be taking notes for the official scrapbook?
The ladies were great, and also the semi-ladies.
Yeah, thanks for considering us semi-ladies anyway.
Well, now you boys can go home and get out of those get-ups.
I don't wanna.
There's a chance we might be able to get into the roller derby for free tonight.
It's ladies' night. All right, it's a deal.
Deal.
Let's seal it with a kiss.
No, I'm not. Dr. Feeney has everything under...
Doctor, we haven't met yet. I'm friendly Nurse Kresge, the doctor's pal.
Oh, very nice to meet you, pal. Excuse me.
No, I don't think you understand. 9 out of 10 doctors recommend.
Oh, that's very nice. Good for you. Good for you. Now, if you'll excuse me, I have to get back to my patient.
Oh, that's all right. Go ahead.
Well, great. I'll meet you in the lounge in 10 minutes, and we'll have a...
Well, thank you, but I'm not that kind of a girl. God, doctor.
Cute.
Oh, my.
I could have died. He kissed you right there. I could have died. You watch out for my baby.
Happy trails to you. Till we meet. You scared the holy bejeebers out of us.
Oh, Jim, doing in those outfits?
Well, me and Squeaky, we're going a week down to join the YWCA. So we ran into a couple of sailors and they picked us up.
We was gonna tell them the truth immediately, but, well, they were big spenders.
We are dealing with some real sickos.
We can't help it if we have got the animal magnetism.
Right. The point is, Laverne, these two Casanovas now they're trying to get something off us.
Oh, yeah, you gotta help us.
Oh, well, that's how it is. When you are a big tease like you are. But I'm afraid you boys are just going to have to go out there and face the music.
Oh, if it were only just the music.
What are we worried about? I mean, after all, we are men.
That's right. Okay, we'll take care of it.
Yeah.
Roll up your sleeves and straighten your seams. Let's go. Jeffrey, listen. Oh, I'm not that kind of a girl. I'm not that kind of a girl.
I can't believe it. Goodbye.
Come on, Fabrizio.
Here you go. Here you go.
Hey, you gotta sign my leg now.
You gonna let me sign your leg? I saw your leg. I signed your yeah. Oh, I'm gonna sign your
Oh, I think we got company.
Anyways, this is what Chicho Rodriguez was doing to Bobo Brazil in the wrestling match I was telling you about. Yeah, they had him there a couple of times.
I wish I had seen that. A real battle between two he-men like that, you know.
You can't fool us. We know you made up.
I think it's so sweet. Why don't we give you a ride home in the car?
Okay.
As long as you don't hug in the back seat.
You stop.
Goodbye, Laverne.
We'll talk about that later,
Johnny, we're both adults, and we both know how on-screen romance can well lead to off-screen romance, and I want to be right up front with you and tell you that I'm already spoken for, so please, try not to fall in love with me.
I'm gay.